Unboxing of the Asus ROG Phone 3. Now this phone has been out for a while, like 3 or 4 months ago. I kind of forgot about it, but then I realized, you know what, I have not done the newest ROG phone yet, the ROG Phone 3 here. So better late than never. Got this phone in my hands now, and let's unbox it right now. So you can see here's the box, comes in this crazy packaging here, which I do like. We'll go ahead and just do this and we'll have a look. Oh man, here's the phone, as you can see. Tab here to pull it out, kind of what she said. We'll do that in a second, but first let's check out what's in this thing. Now I don't even know how to let's see, do I pull this out? How do I undo this? My gosh, very complex unboxing here. Here we go. Open this up. And what do we get in here? It looks like we get a case. Check this out. Get a little snap-on case here. Whoa, look at this. Look at this design right here. That's pretty cool. Oh man. Yeah, like that. We'll put that to the side. And then in here we get more accessories, it looks like. Let's open this up. SIM ejection tool right there. And you get this stuff. Get this card right here, put that to the side, and some instructions, pamphlets, and all the usual stuff. We'll put that to the side, and then what else do we get in here? Your power brick. I believe this is this 30 watts from what I've heard? Here, we'll go in here, take a look at that if you want. And then these are for your plugs to plug in your ports. This is, of course, your charging cable here. Is it C to C? Yep, it is C to C. So that's nice. And this is your dongle. They removed the headphone jack, which for a gaming phone, ugh. Anyway, and see what else am I missing in here? I think that's it. What's in here? Nope, that's it. And then what else is in this part of the box? Is there anything else in here, or is it? Yes, this is the fan. Yeah, this is the fan. Wow, this is super complex. This is the fan that you can attach to your phone. So when you're gaming hard, you put this on the phone, plugs in right there. Helps keep the Snapdragon 865 Plus cool while you're gaming. All right, let's take a look at the main attraction. I gotta say, I've got to give Asus credit on their unboxing experience here. Definitely a bit more unique. Take a look at that. Now, does this come off? I think this comes off. Got your warnings here. And we'll leave it on there, whatever. But this is the phone. Take a look at that. Asus logo there, which does light up. RGB, Republic of Gamers. I gotta say, very nice. It's a little port right there for your air circulation, triple camera setup, flash, and your display, your dual firing speakers. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. It has juice, right? There we go. Oh, look at that. Republic of Gamers. Got your SIM tray right there. This is your port right here. Let's see, let's open this up. There you go, that's your port to plug in your fan and also an extra charging port, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. USB Type-C port here on the bottom. Microphone. On this side, power button, volume rocker. This is your AirTouch controls on this part of the frame. On top is clean and our microphone jack or microphone port. Nice. All right, welcome. English United States, let's go. Now this is a 144 Hertz display, which is nice. Okay, what does this say? Do not insert the Type-C cable into the lower colored port of the side mount ports. All right, so take a look at that. Don't put your Type-C cable in the colored one. Internet connection, only Wi-Fi connection for now. We'll go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi here. We're connected. Next, know your privacy rights. What if I uncheck all this? Confirm. Checking for updates, copy apps and data. We're not going to copy anything here. Checking info. Okay, we're going to skip the sign in for now. Skip. I just want to get into the phone. I want to check it out. Check out the display. We're going to uncheck all this. We're going to install that. Adding finishing touches. Protect your phone. Set up the fingerprint, face recognition, PIN password, pattern. We'll do the fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Fingerprint plus pattern. Okay, we'll just do one of these. Continue. Confirm again. Next. Click next. Okay, under the display, we'll do it right now. Complete. There we go. Next. Next. We're going to skip the air triggers for now. And then we're going to click next on this. Asus data transfer. We're not going to transfer anything. We have default or the classic. We're going to go with the default. Looks pretty cool. Setup complete. We are done. ROG Elite. We're just going to close this out. And look at that crazy wallpaper. Nice. And we are in. Let's go ahead and... Does this have YouTube on it already? Yep. So we'll go on YouTube. I really want to check out these speakers. So I'm going to search for my background music that I always play here. And then it's going to be this one. Gotta say, the speakers sound pretty good. Now the specs real quick. Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, an insane 16 gigabytes of RAM, super fast 144 Hertz display, 6000 mAh battery. Now the charging on this, I believe, is 30 watts. And they have settings in the software where you can limit the charging here to, I believe it's like 10 watts or something like that. So which is good for battery life. Pretty cool that Asus included that there. So that's nice. Let's install this fan real quick. You take this, and then you just gotta line it up. You put it on, and there you go. Got the fan on. On the bottom here, USB Type-C port, that's where you can plug, it looks like a headphone jack, right? Okay, so they take the headphone jack away from the phone, but you can put it on here. It's quite interesting. All right. And around back, it's gonna look like this. And I'm not sure if this lights up. I believe it does. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, you're gaming or like this. Doesn't really get in the way. You have your air triggers here on top. Pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Asus ROG Phone 3. Speed tests, gaming tests, etc. versus iPhone 12 Pro Max, OnePlus 8 Pro or the OnePlus 8T, Samsung S20 Ultra or the Note 20 Ultra, Xiaomi Mi 10, etc. Let me know in the comments below. And by the way, I like that red power button right there. That's pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Peace out.